Joe Dina, we have several pockets of damage here in Yorkville. The storm blew through between 1:30 and 2 o'clock this afternoon. We have some video to show you in just a moment of two stores that were badly damaged. But first, we have a lot of vinyl siding blown off. This is one of those freak storm damage things because you have homes all around this particular home that are totally untouched. But take a look at this home here in Yorkville, and we're not sure exactly how. We're talking with the homeowners how this happened because the house on the front side is actually okay, but we have some structural damage, obviously a failure of some sort, that when the storm blew through, it pushed the side wall out. The son who lives here, his room is right up there. Mom and dad obviously very concerned about what's going on here and how this actually happened. This is just one of the few things that we found here in Yorkville today. Take a look at the Sprint store. This is along Highway 47. It wasn't winds necessarily that blew this window in, but one of those big lease signs that was out by the highway about 40 feet away got blown up by the wind, and the 4x4 that was holding that sign into the ground blew right through and into the store, shattering the window. We caught the crews boarding that up, making it secure for the evening. The district manager tells me that no one was hurt, very little damage except for the window. The phones were okay inside. Several other pockets of damage that we saw coming into town. We had some blown over fences. We also had some trees down as well, some limbs as well. But then there's the Menard store, which is about 40 feet, again, past the Sprint store in the same parking lot, the same area, where they had some structural damage done to the ceiling, the roof of that Menards. It was either blown up or down, pushed down into the store. The lighting section of I guess that would be the northwest side of the store, came down. The store is still open for business. The power is back on, but they cordoned off that section of the store for safety's sake, and they were trying to get that tarped up until permanent fixes can be done. No one injured there as well. We did check with Kane County as well as Yorkville Police. The mayor here saying that no injuries are being reported to him for right now. We'll see how it goes. As you can see, the rain has stopped. Several downpours since this original storm blew through, but for now it's dry, and these folks are trying to get things cleaned up and repaired the best they can, at least for tonight. That is the latest here live in